Hello, I am Graciela Gonzalez from monoDrive, and this is a short tutorial about how to configure a LiDAR sensor using the monoDrive High Fidelity Simulator. Let's open the mono closed loop example. Double-click to open. Navigate to the block diagram, click on Window, Show Block Diagram. Make some space on the block diagram. Make your window bigger and add a space inside the while loop. Now, right-click on any white space inside the while loop. Look for Add-ons, monoDrive, Sensors, and select mono_LiDAR. Drag into the main application. Now you can connect the error in and the error out. Add a new input to the error merge. With that, you have added a new sensor to your main application. Let's run to look at the output. Click on Run. At this point, the client has connected to the simulator, and the simulator is running. Go back to the block diagram. Double-click on LiDAR, and to visualize the output of the sensor, click Plot LiDAR. This is the output corresponding to the LiDAR sensor. There is another way to visualize the LiDAR sensor. On your programs, look for VeloView, click on Sensor Stream, and select the number of lasers of your configured sensor. In this case, as you can see on the LiDAR configuration, we have selected 16 lasers. For instance, we will select VLP16. Also, we need to configure the port for VeloView. As you can see in the configuration, we have selected 2368. Click OK. Then you can see the output of the LiDAR sensor in the VeloView window. Let's go back to the client. I'm going to disable for now the plot LiDAR in the LabVIEW Client and close all the windows to come back to the front panel of the client. I'm going to use the steering control and the throttle to drive around the map and look at the output of the LiDAR. As you can see, we detect successfully cars, boxes, and traffic signs. From the function palette, select now mono_Semantic LiDAR. Connect the error in and error out as before, and double-click mono_Semantic LiDAR to open the configuration. The type is a semantic LiDAR, and it has a different port. Remember that the monoDrive client needs a unique port for each sensor. We also need to change the port for VeloView, since two sensors cannot send data on the same port. In this case, I'm going to assign 2369 for the semantic LiDAR. Let's run again the example. We are looking at the output of the regular LiDAR. We need to open another window for the semantic LiDAR. From VeloView, open another window, click on Sensor Stream, select the number of laser, and change the LiDAR port. The output looks a little bit different. On the semantic LiDAR, we have colors for each type of object on the scene. Let's drive a little bit more and look at the differences. Thanks for watching this short tutorial. For more information, please review https://monodrive.readthedocs.io. See you next time.